Period. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, give a fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Fuck got a nigga. Fuck got a nigga.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I install my hair. It is a glueless wig. This hair is from Hair Sensation, so if you guys want to buy this hair, you can find the link down below. I will be attaching the links in the description box. But before we get into this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post. Share, like, and leave all your comments down below. Okay, but yeah, right now I am doing my ball cap method. The reason why the ball cap, the stocking cap looks like that is because I have two on. The first one that I had under, the one at the top, or yeah, the one at the top, the one at the bottom part, it was like, it's darker than my actual shade, so like it couldn't even be fixed with like foundation or whatever. So I went in with a used one and I just attached it over that one, you know, blended out with my foundation, and now I'm just using like a little bit of ghost bond glue just to pretty much melt down the edges, and that's the only sort of glue that I'll be using in this video. Now for the installing of the hair, or how I made it glueless. Okay, so this wig came with some straps in the back of the hair, and all you have to do is really just pull both strap, you know, like the bra straps or whatever, just pull it as far as possible towards the middle part of you know, the hooks that's there. So you want to pull it as far as you can, and you will feel it when it's snug enough, and so you will definitely know, like, you know, when it's fine, or if you need to go back in and adjust it a little bit more. Also, you can make this hair glueless with the elastic band, like elastic band as well. I will be doing one with an elastic band shortly, so then I will, you know, show you guys how it looks, or how it, you know, you can install it with the elastic band, or how to do it properly with the elastic band. As you can see, the hair isn't even glued down, and the only part that needs fixing is pretty much the tabs at the sides. But it's pretty much secure from both temple, like from temple to temple. The only thing that I definitely, it doesn't matter how much you think your hair is glueless, you have to use a little bit of like got2b or the gel or whatever to mold down the sides, because it doesn't matter what you do, the sides will not stay down. Unless you guys have a different way of doing it, then you can let me know in the comments down below. But I have not yet seen any video with the sides being flat while it's you know, glueless method or whatever. But yeah, all I'm doing now is just you know, molding down the sides. Okay, so if you see me cutting, it's just like there were flabs at the front pretty much folding over, and I didn't want that. So because I wanted it flat, all I went in with was my scissors just to cut it off so it's not curled up, and it was pretty much flat, and, you know, use my foundation to blend it out a little bit more. What I'm going to be doing right now is pretty much, you know, doing my part, pretty much styling the wig. I'm going to be doing some baby hairs. I was just looking to see like how it looks without the baby hairs and stuff, but I'm going to be doing some baby hairs like literally just now. guys, you're gonna see me going in cutting more off the lace, because I realized that when you do your baby hairs directly in front of the lace, like when there's no lace under the baby hairs, the melting is way better. So what I, like, as you can see me doing here, I went back in and cut the lace that was like under the hair, because I hate it. And it looked, even now, just by looking at it, it looked a little bit more natural at the front part right there. I ended up fixing like the sides and stuff too, but it was just like when you do your baby hairs, when you cut the lace directly, or when you do the baby hairs over the like at the edge of the lace, it looks way more natural, because then the baby hairs will be on your, like, you know, on your skin, which is how your natural baby hairs are, you know, they are on your skin. So that way, so when you cut the lace and you do the baby hairs on your skin, it looks way more natural. It looks like it's your hair, even though it's not. When it's on the lace, I don't know, it just doesn't look right to me. But yeah, that's what I end up doing. That's why you see the front part is looking like that. But right now I'm just gonna be fixing the baby hairs and, you know, styling up the wig. This literally took me like 20 minutes. Only the baby hairs were like extra, but like it was fine. Okay, so because I wasn't really going anywhere, I wanted to, you know, put some sort of makeup per se on me. So all I did was put some lashes on, because I wanted to look somewhat decent or whatever. But yeah, I'm just putting some lashes on. Then I will be cutting off the head scarf, or the head tape, the baby hair tape. I don't know what it is called, but that's pretty much what I use if I don't have my oh my gosh, if I don't have my my silk wrap, my silk hair tie or whatever, I can use that. But yeah, all I'm doing right now is just cutting it off. I'll be going back in just to see like if there's anything that needs a little bit of plucking, if there's, you know, anything that needs to be fixed or whatever. But that's pretty much it. As you can see right now, I'm just going over some part that I felt that needed, some part that needed a little bit more plucking. But yeah, that pretty much sums up all of this video. Again, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post. Leave all your comments down below, share this video, like this video. And guys, honestly, sharing this video will help me a lot, because, you know, your girl is trying out here, like literally I'm trying, okay? But yeah, thank you again. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you for everything, and thank you for the support thus far. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.
You got it, girl. You got it.
Hey, yo, Smalls, turn up with it, bro.
Got a bag and now you follow. Little baby, get him,